How to set up SMTP server in Gmail. First, log into your Gmail account and then click on this icon right here and go to your account. Once you have done that, you want to go to security section. So go ahead and click on that. Now you want to turn on the two-step verification. So go to two-step verification. Now you want to click on Get Started. Once you have done that, it's going to ask you to enter your password. So do that and click Next. Now over here, it's going to show the devices that can get prompts. So you want to click on Continue. Once you have done that, enter your phone number and then click on Send, and you will be sent a verification code. So go ahead and enter that code which you have received via SMS, and then you want to click on Next. So once you do that, you want to click on the Turn On option over here to turn on the two-step verification. So once you have done that, you will be able to see now that your two-step verification is on. So once that is on, you want to go back to your settings, and over here you want to search for app password. Now click on app passwords over here, and then this page is going to open up. So in here, you want to click on Select App drop-down menu and then click on Other. Now I'm going to type SMTP sample. This is the application that I want to customize, and click on Generate. Now it has generated an app password, so make sure that you copy this password and keep it safe because you will not be able to see it again. Once you have done that, open a new tab and then search for SMTP test tool. Now click on the first result that you see. This one is from GMAS. Now on the SMTP server, you want to type smtp.gmail.com. So go ahead and type that. Now in security, you want to select SSL, and then in your username, you can add your email address. Now copy that and then you can paste it on from and to as well. Now you can enter the password that you have copied, or you can go back and then copy the password as well, and then go ahead and enter that password. Once you have done that, you can enter 465 as your port and then click on Test It. So once you have done that, now you want to open up your Gmail to test this. So go ahead and open up a new tab and then go to your Gmail. So now there should be an email that you have received from your SMTP. And that is it. That is how you set SMTP server in Gmail. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.